Guys, this my iPhone over here is actually refurbished. Wait, let me remove the pouch so that you can see what I'm saying very well. Like, I have been using this iPhone for close to a year right now, and I just found out the that it's a refurbished iPhone. So my video today, I am going to be telling you, how to differentiate between an original iPhone and also a refurbished iPhone. Now imagine after spending over 500,000 naira to get an iPhone, or let's say you bought yours in dollars, right? And you found that it's a refurbished iPhone. Guys, you just kind of lost your money because you cannot compare an original iPhone to a refurbished iPhone. So for that reason, I'm creating this video just for you guys. Okay, so let's say you want to go and get a new iPhone or used iPhone. You be sure that, okay, yes, what you're getting, it's an original iPhone. Okay, so guys, on this video, I'm going to show you 2 steps you need to follow. You can find out if that iPhone you're going for is original or refurbished. Okay, so go to your settings. All right, once you're here, go to general, then go to about. Then over here, you have your serial number. Ensure you copy your serial number. Okay, ensure you copy your serial number. Then go to your browser. So once you're in your browser over here, search on iPhone serial number check. Now click on this imei.info one. Alright, so once you're here, all you need to do is to paste your serial number over here. So I'm going to be pasting my own right now. So as you can see, this has brought out the full details of this my phone. The model, the brand, the serial number, the color, memory, production dates, iPhone age, and the rest of them. Okay, but sometimes let's say you want to go for a used iPhone, it may not be the same color as what you're seeing here. Right here, you can see that the color over here is showing gold. Okay, however, this is a white iPhone, so you can see, so the color may not be the same thing, but as long as everything is the same on the feature, on the specs written over here, then you are good to go. But most times, getting this refurbished phone, and you just check only this platform, they've upgraded their system that this imei phone can even detect it, right? So that's why you need to check out this other method I am going to be explaining to you. Okay, I'm talking about getting a used phone. I created a video on things to check if you want to get a used iPhone, because only serial number or checking the phone is a refurbished or original iPhone is not the only thing you should check out. There are a lot of things to check out before you are scammed off your money. Check out that video to be sure that you're getting a very good used iPhone. Alright, now, so the second method you're going to check out if you want to find out if your phone is original or refurbished is looking at the model number. So model numbers on our iPhones are different. So we have the one of the M, we have the N, we have the P, we have the F. Okay, and all this means different things, right? So if you get an iPhone, be it used or brand new, and you see the M, it means it's an original iPhone. Yeah, so you are safe. Okay, now if you see an N, which is what is showing on this my iPhone 11 Pro right here, when I saw the N initially, I was thinking it's a refurbished phone, because most people are saying once your model number starts to N, then you're getting a refurbished phone. But that is not the case, because I have to make more research and to understand all these model numbers, right? And I found out that N is called a replacement unit. Now to break it down for you, let's say you get an iPhone and it starts with M, okay, and you bought it brand new, with the Apple coverage and all, and something happens to the iPhone, which the Apple covers, right? You take it to Apple Care, right, so that they can repair it, and they're like, okay, so this may take a while for us to fix, but we cannot leave you without a phone, without an iPhone. So take this, for example, now you got an iPhone 11 Pro, right, brand new. Take this 11 Pro and give me your 11 Pro so that we can fix this. So now the one they're giving you, they're replacing your sport iPhone. That is what is called a replacement unit, and it starts with N. So this is my iPhone over here, is an original iPhone, thank God, because it's a replacement unit, right? Still from the Apple company. Yes. So now if you see a P starting your model number, well, I'm not sure you can even see a P. Okay, because it's called personalized. Now, iPhones with this personalized or P starting their model number is for only those working in Apple company, and those are just custom made, iPhones. So let's say, for example, they want to check like the camera, the chipsets, the settings and all on the iPhone before it's released to the general public, right? They give them the iPhone which is starting with P on their model number. Okay, and most times those iPhones they are given, be able to access some things like download, let's say Instagram or WhatsApp, just specific for checking the camera or for checking maybe the settings or for checking the chipset or the iOS features. That's why I said you may never see or get an iPhone starting with P, because you do not work for Apple company, right? Yes. So now the last one, which starting with letter F. Even in school, F is for failure, F is F9, right? So you get to know that F is really refurbished. Yes. So when you see, you want to go and get an iPhone, I start with F. That's the model number. Remember, everything I'm talking about right here is the model number, the letter starting your model number, not your serial number, because most times, even the serial number of my phone, it starts with F. But I'm talking about the model number. Okay. So once you see a model number starting with F, just know you're getting it refurbished. And I will not advise you guys to go for refurbished. It is not advisable. Go for an original device, because even though I've not used a refurbished, and I cannot tell you the difference between a refurbished and an original iPhone because I've not used a refurbished before, I'm going to tell you that from research I've made for you guys, going for the original iPhone is better, right? And most times, the refurbished iPhone versus the original iPhone, just a little bit price difference. And at the end of the day, you're also suffering for using the refurbished because you wanted to get it at cheaper rates. So guys, on my next video, I'm going to show you how to find out the country that produces your iPhone, because I know that, let's say iPhone now is different from the iPhone produced in UK or US. They are just, little difference, right? Even though the main features are similar, there's a slight difference between all these regions producing your iPhone. So if you want to find out the company or the country or the region that produces your iPhone, then check out my next video, okay? So my channel here, I talk about everything iPhone, MacBook, Samsung, all your device, all your gadgets, right? So don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification icon so that whenever I create that video, you'll be the first to get notified, okay?